under root a x square under root x square minus a square similar, just plus or minus difference. Right. I equal to integral under root x square minus a square dx under root x square minus a square 1 dx. Apply UV formula. U integral v integral 1 dx minus integral u dash integral 1 dx whole dx. U integral v minus integral u dash integral v under root x square minus a square integral of one value x derivative of the root function 2 root x square minus a square into derivative of x square 2x derivative of constant 0 integral of one value x dx x into under root x square minus a square minus integral x square by x into x under root x square minus a square dx. Next, add minus a square plus a square x into under root x square minus a square minus integral x square minus a square plus a square by under root x square minus a square split into two parts x into under root x square minus a square x square minus a square by under root x square minus a square dx minus into plus minus a square by under root x square minus a square dx. Denominator numerator both are equal but difference is only root. By cancellation we get under root x square minus a square I equal to x into under root x square minus a square minus I, this is I, minus I minus a square into integral 1 by x square minus a square dx I plus I x into root over x square minus a square minus, this is minus a square into cos h inverse x by a minus a square into 1 by under root x square minus a square 2i equal to x into root over x square minus a square minus a square cos h inverse x by a plus c. So I value x by 2 under root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a integral e power ax integral e power ax sin bx plus c dx. Let so I no inverse function, L no algebraic function, logarithm function, A no algebraic function, T there is a trigonometric function. So take T as U and E as V. Write down I equal to integral e power ax sin bx plus c dx. Apply uv formula sin bx plus c integral e power ax dx u integral v minus integral u dash integral e power ax dx whole dx u integral v minus integral u dash integral v. Next step sin bx plus c integral of e power x equal to e power x by x coefficient a do not miss it. E power ax by a, what is that a is the coefficient of x. Integral of e power x equal to e power x by coefficient of x. Similarly write in this place also. Next minus integral derivative of sin function cos bx plus c, derivative of sin function cos bx plus c, derivative of the internal function derivative of bx b, derivative of c 0, integral of e power ax by a dx. Take this b by a common. E power ax sin bx plus c by a minus b by a e power ax cos bx plus c dx. Cos bx plus c dx. So first time UV formula completed. Listen, all of you listen. Next theorem. Evaluate. Listen. Next term is this one. Integral e power ax cos bx plus c. That is the next theorem. So starting is sine. After one UV formula, we get cos function. Again apply UV formula. We get in this place cos. So same problem repeats. After UV formula, we get the same problem. Let it be I. Write down. Apply UV formula second time. This is U. This is V. E power ax sin bx plus c by a minus b by a u cos bx plus c integral e power ax dx. U integral v minus integral u dash cos bx plus c dash integral e power ax dx whole dx. Second time UV formula. U integral v minus integral u dash integral v. So simplify this part. E power ax sin bx plus c by a minus b e power ax cos bx plus c by a minus into minus plus b by a plus b by a derivative of cos minus sin bx plus c derivative of cos function minus sin derivative of internal function b integral of e power ax by a dx. Bring this b by a common. So e power ax sin bx plus c by a minus b b cos bx plus c by a plus into minus b into b square by a into a square integral e power ax sin bx plus c dx. In this place, so write in this place I e power ax sin bx plus c by a minus b by a e power ax cos bx plus c minus b square by a square I minus b square by a square into I. Therefore, I plus b square by a square I equal to x by a common e power ax by a common sin bx plus c minus b cos bx plus c 1 plus b square by a square into I 1 plus b square by a square into I equal to e power ax by a sin bx plus c minus b cos bx plus c. A square b by see the second part minus b by a into sin. Second part, what is second part? E power ax into cos bx plus c. So uv formula cos bx plus c into e power ax by a into a square. So this is a square amount. This is a square. This is a square, not a. Remove this part. Take a square common. LCM. Take a square LCM. A cancel. A into e power ax sin bx plus c. A square cancel. B into e power ax into cos bx plus c. Take e power ax common. A sin bx plus c minus cos bx plus c by a square take a square common. A square plus b square e power ax a sin bx plus c minus b cos bx plus c by a square. A square cancel. I equal to e power ax by a square plus b square a sin bx plus c minus b cos bx plus c